Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special recipe is Methi Vada, which is very healthy and tasty. Let's get started with the recipe. Vada recipe, I have taken almost 1.5 cups of washed and roughly chopped fenugreek leaves. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander, 2 green chilies roughly chopped, little piece of ginger grated. Here for binding we have thick poha, which is washed and soaked for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have coriander cumin powder 1 tablespoon, amchur powder 1 tablespoon, sesame seeds 1 tablespoon, salt to taste around 3/4 teaspoon, turmeric couple pinches, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, and asafoetida, and of course little bit of sugar for that balance. So I'm going to mix everything together and make a dough. Add about 3/4 cup of gram flour and give that a good mix. Make patties out of it and then shallow fry it on medium flame. And look at the crispiness. Here is our methi vada ready to eat. Enjoy this with ketchup or chutney. Thanks for watching.